We do the same thing in the text lesson down below. We highlight those answers in blue. Then you get to take we split it into 30 sections, and you get to go through each section has its own quiz, and then you can take as many practice tests as you want at the end. The practice test, totally free. You don't even have to buy the course to take the practice tests. So absolutely. Just a really cool. And we've synced the mobile app now with the web app. So what progress you make in the mobile app, you've got the same progress on your web app now. So,
well, that's great. You would think that would happen.
Yeah, absolutely.
I